Ang baby na yan. Kinakain na naman yung daliri na yan. Ha? Ha? Ikaw, what's your problem? What's your problem? Fish? Nasaan na yung fish?
Hoy, bakit ka umiiri dyan?
Ako naman nakikipaglaro. Sleep na tayo. Sleep na tayo. What's that? What's that? Fish ulit? Pusha, pusha. 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 Upa. Upa. Jillian. Jillian. Good girl. Yung namang isang yun. Anong problem? Hey, Juris. What's your problem? You're cool? You're cool? Good. Ikaw, sleep na tayo. We sleep now, okay? Nak, ha?